Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic affecting millions worldwide: fatty liver disease. If you've ever wondered how to support your liver health through diet, you're in the right place. This video will explore the best fatty liver cleansing foods to help you have a healthier liver. We'll start by discussing fatty liver disease and why it's crucial to address it. Then, we'll introduce you to various delicious foods packed with nutrients that can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. We'll cover everything from vibrant fruits and vegetables to wholesome grains and healthy fats. But it's not just about listing foods. We'll also share tips on incorporating these cleansing foods into your daily meals. You'll learn how simple changes can significantly impact your liver health. So if you're ready to discover how these foods can help destroy fat in your liver and improve your overall well-being, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand which foods to include in your diet and how they can support your liver's vital functions. Let's get started on this journey to better health together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is a condition characterized by the accumulation of excess fat in liver cells. It can be classified into two main types: alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is caused by excessive alcohol consumption, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, which occurs in individuals who drink little to no alcohol. NAFLD is becoming increasingly common and is often associated with obesity, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. The causes of fatty liver disease can vary widely. Factors such as poor diet, lack of physical activity, obesity, and certain medications can contribute to the development of this condition. Genetics and hormonal imbalances may also affect how fat is processed in the liver. Risk factors include being overweight, high cholesterol, and sedentary lifestyle. Understanding the implications of fatty liver disease is crucial, as it can lead to more severe liver conditions, including inflammation, fibrosis, and even cirrhosis, if left untreated. This is where diet becomes vital in managing and potentially reversing the disease. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, healthy fats, and antioxidants can help reduce liver fat and improve overall liver function. By making informed dietary choices, individuals can take proactive steps toward better liver health and significantly lower their risk of complications associated with fatty liver disease. Top foods for liver health. Certain foods stand out for their powerful detoxifying properties, which promote liver health. Let's explore some of the best foods that can support liver function and help cleanse this vital organ. First are leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula. These nutrient-dense vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, which helps absorb toxins from the bloodstream and neutralizes harmful substances. Incorporating leafy greens into your meals can enhance your liver's detoxification ability. Next, we have avocados. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, particularly glutathione, crucial in detoxifying the liver. Studies suggest that avocados help reduce liver fat and improve overall liver function, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Garlic is another powerhouse food for liver health. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes that are responsible for flushing out toxins. Additionally, garlic is rich in allicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the liver from damage. To reap the benefits of these foods, consider adding them to your daily meals. Toss leafy greens into salads, blend avocados into smoothies, or use garlic as a flavor enhancer in your favorite dishes. Incorporating these liver-friendly foods into your diet can support your liver's natural detoxification processes and promote overall health. Start making these delicious changes today for a healthier tomorrow. Fruits that fight fatty liver. Certain fruits can be particularly beneficial for supporting liver health. Here are the top fruits that help cleanse the liver and promote well-being. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them vibrant colors. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, making berries a fantastic choice for liver support. Enjoy them as a snack or blend them into a refreshing smoothie for a delicious treat. Citrus fruits, including oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are also excellent for liver health. They are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants that aid in detoxification. Citrus fruits help stimulate the production of enzymes in the liver, which are essential for breaking down toxins. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your water or enjoying a grapefruit for breakfast can be a simple yet effective way to boost your liver health. Apples are another fruit that deserves a spot on your plate. They contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps cleanse the digestive tract and supports liver function. Apples are also rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making them nutritious snacks. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet is easy and enjoyable. Whether you snack on them throughout the day or blend them into smoothies, these liver-friendly fruits can help you improve your health. So grab a handful of berries or slice up an apple and start reaping the benefits today. Herbs and spices for liver. Detox. Certain herbs and spices can significantly contribute to liver health, detoxification, and overall wellness. Let's explore some of the most effective herbs for aiding liver cleansing and supporting its vital functions. Thanks to its active compound, curcumin, turmeric is one of the most potent herbs for liver health. This bright yellow spice is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help protect the liver from damage and promote the regeneration of liver cells. You can easily incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to curries, soups, or smoothies. A warm turmeric latte is also a delicious way to enjoy its benefits. Milk thistle is another herb renowned for its liver-supporting properties. It contains silymarin, which protects liver cells from toxins and promotes liver regeneration. Milk thistle can be taken as a supplement or brewed into a tea. You can also find milk thistle extract in health food stores to add to your daily routine. Dandelion root is often overlooked, but is a fantastic herb for liver detoxification. It helps stimulate bile production, which is essential for digestion and detoxification. You can enjoy dandelion root as a tea or add it to salads for a nutritious boost. Incorporating these herbs and spices into your meals or teas can be a simple yet effective way to support your liver health. Start experimenting with these flavorful additions and enjoy their benefits to your well-being. Healthy fats for liver support. When it comes to liver health, not all fats are created equal. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet can support liver function and reduce inflammation. Let's explore some excellent sources of healthy fats that can benefit your liver. Olive oil is a standout choice, particularly extra virgin olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, promoting better overall function. Drizzling olive oil over salads or using it for cooking can be a delicious way to incorporate this healthy fat into your meals. Nuts, such as walnuts and almonds, are another fantastic source of healthy fats. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help lower liver fat levels and improve liver function. A handful of nuts makes for a nutritious snack, or you can sprinkle them over yogurt or oatmeal for added crunch and flavor. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are also excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation and support liver health by improving lipid profiles. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet a couple of times a week for optimal benefits. While healthy fats are essential for liver support, moderation and balance are key. Overconsumption of any fat can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Focus on incorporating these healthy fats into a well-rounded diet to promote liver health and overall wellness. Lifestyle changes for liver health. While dietary choices play a significant role in liver health, lifestyle changes are equally important in promoting overall well-being. One of the most impactful changes you can make is incorporating regular exercise into your routine. Physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces liver fat, and improves circulation, contributing to better liver function. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, whether it's brisk walking, cycling, or dancing. Find an activity you enjoy. Hydration is another crucial aspect of liver health. Drinking plenty of water helps your liver flush out toxins and supports its various functions. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and consider herbal teas or infused water for added flavor and benefits. Reducing alcohol and sugar intake can also have a profound impact on liver health. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to fatty liver disease and other severe liver conditions. Similarly, high sugar intake, particularly from processed foods and sugary beverages, can contribute to fat accumulation in the liver. Reducing these substances can significantly improve your liver's health and function. Adopting a holistic approach to liver health means considering all aspects of your lifestyle, from diet and exercise to hydration and moderation. By making these changes, you can support your liver and enhance your overall health. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time, so start today for a healthier tomorrow. We've highlighted the importance of incorporating fatty liver-cleansing foods into your daily meals, such as leafy greens, avocados, berries, citrus fruits, and healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. These foods are delicious and packed with nutrients that can help detoxify the liver and reduce fat accumulation. We also explored the role of herbs and spices, such as turmeric and milk thistle, in promoting liver health. Regular exercise, proper hydration, and reducing alcohol and sugar intake are essential lifestyle changes that complement these dietary choices. A holistic approach to liver health is vital to achieving long-term benefits. As you move forward, remember these key takeaways. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods, stay active, and maintain a balanced lifestyle. By making these changes, you can significantly improve your liver health and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from these tips. Explore our related content for more insights on health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier liver and a happier you.